So guys, once again, welcome back to my channel. This video is Horia Beauty Secret Ideas. Hair growth, castor oil for hair growth. Mix 2 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. First step and two step. Warm this mixture for few seconds, and it should be comfortable to touch, and gently and softly massage for your hair. And third step, massage your scalp and hair with this mixture. Cover your hair with a shower cap, and warp a warm towel around your head, and and fourth step, leave for 30 to 45 minutes. Shower wash with a middle shampoo, and use weekly for hair growth. So I hope guys you like it my video, and please keep sharing and watching my video, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, and please mention me for your response and your feedback my comment section.